After electric swapping the NOS pocket bike, the first thing I wanted to know was the top speed. I had no idea what to expect. It turned out most of the internet was right, and instead of speed, it likes to produce an insane amount of torque, unlike any pocket bike I've ridden, with a top speed of about 30 miles per hour. So I've been hearing all of your great suggestions to put a smaller rear sprocket on the back and change up the gear ratio to try and get that speed higher. The problem is, for 26mm sprockets, the smallest one they make is a 54 tooth. So, here was my journey around that.
I got time, put the shit together with the rhyming. Good couple wings and now we flying. Threw away the ropes, no need for climbing. I be shining, I don't need no fucking diamonds. I enjoy the finer things. Where you walking, got me talking while I'm smiling. I've been pulling strings like my dreams are made of violence. Put my flow inside the booth and got it dialed in. Making music from the madness in my mind. We could really turn this into something. Putting islands in the ocean, turn the shit into a function. Now we buzzing, finally feeling so alive. I can only deal with what I know. I've been steady deep in what I sow. I'm letting go of what I can't control. Loosen up the grip and let it go. I've been looking for a path that leads to you. Looking for the tracks inside my soul. Trying to find a place that we can kick it. Long as I'm with you, I'll be at home. We should put a house up on an island.
The idea with the yellow pocket bike was to hopefully be able to install the 29 tooth sprocket on its wheel and then install that wheel on the NOS bike for a really easy swap. Unfortunately, neither were lining up, but I'm glad I hit 40 miles per hour in the end. Subscribe if you're not, because my brand new build is coming up right around the corner.